Yeah, Xiaomi is now working on Mi Band 5. Mi Bands are the best affordable fitness trackers as well as one of the most popular products from Xiaomi. Current Mi Band, the Mi Band 4 was a huge success with its features, and the Mi Band 5 which is coming with some upgraded features that we are going to be discussed in this video. Hey, hello guys, this is Family, you are watching FMJ Tech, and if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button now itself, and let's get right into the video. Alright, Mi Band 5 will come with a 1.2-inch color AMOLED display. 1.2-inch display is 25% larger than the display on the current Mi Band 4, which has 0.95-inch display. This display offers better color, better brightness, and the display will be more visible under direct sunlight, which could mean it uses a different screen tech or have some filters placed over the display. Whatever. Display will be the biggest upgrade in Mi Band 5. But the thing is that big displays needs more battery. But the reports regarding Mi Band 5 doesn't showcase anything about battery. Maybe Xiaomi will increase its battery capacity to some more mAh. Okay, in Mi Band 4 there was NFC feature built in, but it was limited to China and only through Mi Pay. With Mi Band 5, Xiaomi will introduce NFC feature worldwide. This NFC feature on Mi Band 5 will gonna be very useful for easy payment options, not only with Mi Pay app but also through other apps like Google Pay. That's a good upgrade. You don't need to use your phone while paying, just the band is enough. Like Mi Band 4, Mi Band 5 also offers the features like music control, multiple accurate activity tracking, unlimited watch faces, etc. About the price, Mi Band 5 will cost 179 yuan in China, that is around 1800 Indian rupees or $25. Mi Band 5 is expected to launch in the middle of 2020, that is near June or something. So far, that's all we know about the fitness tracker now. Yeah, better display, better battery, NFC feature is not the only thing we need to see on the upgraded Mi Band 5. What we really want to see more is the onboard GPS like what we see on the Apple Watches. A wide varieties of straps to choose from. Automatic fitness tracking option like in Fitbit devices. Improved sleep trackings like in the new Honor Band. If Xiaomi also includes these features on their Mi Band 5, then it will surely smash all its leading competitors. Definitely. So that's been it. Mi Band 5 will surely included on this channel. So if you want to see its related videos, hit that subscribe button and stay updated. My name is Swemil and see you guys in the next one. Bye.